Hey everybody, it's your girl Bright Eyes, and I want to do an unboxing of a video. And I just recently purchased Studio Cameo 4. Why I decided to get it? Because I was interested in the software program. I saw one YouTuber did a face mask with rhinestone, and I thought it looks out of this world with this software. So I said, you know what? I need to get this machine. So I'm gonna do the unboxing. I have never ever tried Studio before. Not Studio, sorry, Silhouette or and Cameo 4. I never used it before. So we'll do the unboxing and see what's inside of the box. Okay, to see, this is what it looks like when you open your box. See, this is what it looks like, and it shows you the different pen you could use. There it goes. There's the map. This is what the map look like. Okay, let's see what's inside this box here. Okay. It comes with two cutting tools. I guess one cutting tool, one pen. See what else is in this box. Power cord. I'm glad that it's white because most of my power cords are black, so I know which one it is right away. Okay. Alright, and I guess the machine that we take out of the box. Wow, it's very wide. Well, it's a lot wider than my other cutting machines. Ooh, nice. Oh boy, I am having a hard time taking the tape off. Okay. It looks like it might get stuck. This blue tape. I may have to get a tweezer to get it out. Oh, it's a plastic. It's a plastic here. I didn't know that. I wonder if there's a plastic. Okay, there's no plastic there. I'm trying to see. Okay, that looks like the back. Oh, I didn't know it does that. And you can see inside. Got a blue tape. It's nice. It got a dress cover. Okay, I wonder if this. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Okay. And it's nice. It has like a, I think this could open. Oh, okay, it came out. All right, I guess that's it. See my brand new silhouette Cameo 4 that I have. And I just want to look at the back real quick and see what's going on here. Okay, so this is where you cut it. I don't want to break it. I know what I'm doing. But, I will soon learn. Okay, right here, I guess you open it like that. Okay, see if it does anything else. Okay, so far that's all I know about it. So I just want to show y'all my new machine that I bought. This is the guard. So I just want to show y'all the machine. I'm still learning about it. So this is what I got myself. A pink one. Hopefully If I get good at it, I probably could do tutorials if I get good at it. But I'm a newbie, just like everybody else. Okay, so I guess that's a bit about it. I'll see y'all later.